Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com. Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to get the current date using JavaScript. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we are going to create a new file which is called index.html. Let's write down HTML5. Here we go. I'm going to write h1. It will contain our today's topic, JavaScript, how to get current date, and I'm going to open live server. Okay, so this file is executing. Okay, now let's go and write down a script tag. In a script tag we are going to use the date. Let's define a let d1 is our date variable and a new date. Okay, so first we write down the new date and let's do console dot okay, let's do console dot log. And in this one I'm going to print d1. Okay, let's see what we will get. Okay, here we go with a complete date object. In this you can say it's saying Wednesday, October 6, 2021, the time, duration, Pacific Daylight Time, but it's a complete object that we are displaying. Now we need to get the date, which is day, month, year, or month, day, year. Okay, how we can get this? There are several methods. Let's do the latest one and the best one. Okay, so what we can do, we can write down the date. Let's say if we would like to display, we can just use d1 to locale date string, and this locale date string we can write en-us. Okay, so if I do this, save it, and you can see month, day, and year. And if you want, because it's a US format, if you want to get in the Great Britain format, you can also get use GB, and it will give you the date in Great Britain format. So you can utilize this string and use it. This is the quick and the fastest way to get the string. You can also provide the options. Okay, let's provide options. Some options that we can provide. Options need an object. An object we can pass several values, like how the day will be like. So you can say the day will be a numeric. Okay, month will be a numeric. Okay, and if you want something else you can use it, then you can write down year, and year will also be numeric. Okay, and let's pass this option over in this string like options. Okay, like this. After double quotes, press a options and it will. Okay, I just saved this. Nothing happened over here because this is the format that we are using. But let's say week day, and in weekday I am passing a long instead of a numeric. Okay, so you can see when I pass the weekday, it is giving the day of the week like Wednesday, so it is giving you the option Wednesday. So you can customize it. If you visit my blog, you can find more details about this. Just search the current date into my webmastercampus.com. You can find it and search current date, and you will come across a blog post that contains all the details for this topic. Okay, so here we go. But this is one of the options that we can use. Definitely you can pass some other dates, not this one. If you need something date from the past, you can use the option like this I'm using right now. So it's about 2011, 10 month, and 14 is the day. So you can see it just updated. This is the best and the quickest method. It's also supported in latest browser. Let's disable this and use some conventional way to find a date. Let's define, let me save it first, and nothing is displaying. Let's define a variable. Okay, let d1, and d1 I'm using the new date again. Okay, this is the new date, and then what we are going to do is we are going to use some example to write down the code. Okay, so let's define let date, and for date d1 dot get date. get date method will return that date. Let a month, okay, and month will give us that d1.getMonth, and it will give us the month. Then let year, and year will return us d1.getFullYear. Okay, so get full year. This is the string, and I'm going to define another variable like d1 d new, something like this, d new, or you can use the date, and then I'm going to combine that. Like, let's say I need the day first. Okay, it's not a, let's call it day. Okay, day plus equals double quotes. Then we need a slash. If you need the dash, you can customize it. Then we can use the month. Okay, then use the same over here, plus then use the year. Okay, this is how we are going to define it. Let's display console.log and d_new. Here we go. And if I am going to save this, you will find that now we can get the date in our own customized format. If you want to define this in let's suppose in the this is the British format, let's say date GB, and let's call this date_US. So this is the for US format. We need to make it month, and then we will add day. So instead of it, I'm going to date_GB. Over here, console.log, again date_US will display the US format. So here we go. Now the both formats are available. You can utilize it. The one more thing I would like to guide you on this one. This is the format, but you can see it's missing from it. Should be, maybe you got the requirement the day or the month should start from 0, like 06, 09, something like that. If you got the requirement of this one, you can apply some functionality. Like first you need to write down a string, okay, something like this. Then you need to use .padStart as a function there where we define we need at least 2 digit. If it is, don't worry about it, leave as it is. If it's not, then you need to add a 0. Okay, so you can see I just save it, it's updated with a 0. Okay, then you need to you can copy this, or you can define it like the same, and I don't mind. Hope it's useful for. So you can see I just updated, and the month is also appearing with the leading 0. Okay, so this is the idea how you can play around, get the required date format as it is you want. I believe it will be helpful and you can use it for your best. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.